What changed with premium tax credits after ARPA? Imagine paying less for health insurance just because of a new law. That's what happened after the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, or ARPA, made big changes to premium tax credits. These credits help lower the cost of health coverage for many Americans. Before ARPA, you could only get these subsidies if your income was between 100 and 400% of the federal poverty level. But ARPA changed that. It temporarily removed the upper limit, so even people with higher incomes could qualify if their premiums would be more than 8.5% of their income. This meant more people could get help paying for insurance, making coverage more affordable for a lot of families. ARPA also increased the amount of premium tax credits available. It capped the maximum share of income that people had to pay for a benchmark plan at 8.5%. So, if your income was low enough, your premiums could be significantly reduced, sometimes to just a small percentage of your income. This made health insurance much more manageable for many. Another important change was that ARPA suspended the requirement to repay excess advance premium tax credits for the year 2020. If someone received more subsidy than they were actually eligible for based on their income, they didn't have to pay it back for that year. The IRS even reimbursed those who had already repaid excess credits in 2020. The law also extended these enhanced premium tax credits through 2025, even though they were originally set to end in 2022. This extension kept the expanded eligibility and increased subsidies in place for several more years. But starting in 2026, these benefits are scheduled to end. The subsidies will go back to pre-ARPA rules, meaning only those with incomes between 100 and 400% of the federal poverty level will qualify, and the amount of help will decrease. This could lead to higher premiums for many people unless Congress acts to extend or modify these provisions again. Another big change coming in 2026 is that the caps on repayment of excess premium tax credits will be removed. Currently, if your income ends up being higher than expected, you might have to pay back some of the subsidy, but there are limits. After 2025, you will have to repay all excess credits without any cap, which makes it even more important to estimate your income carefully and update your information during the year. In practical terms, these changes made health insurance more affordable for millions of Americans, leading to a big jump in marketplace enrollment from around 11.4 million in 2020 to over 24 million in 2025. But with the upcoming expiration of ARPA's enhancements, premiums could rise again for many unless new laws are passed. So, it's essential to pay close attention to income estimates and stay informed about policy changes that could affect your coverage and costs. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional to understand what options are best for your personal health needs.